Assalamu alaikum everyone, Samir did the reaction back with other reaction with Diana Ankudinova, yo lovers. She is in radio now. I am flying with Waterfall. Diana Ankudinova. This is just requested in this video. I see it and I say why not make a reaction about that. And yeah, I am a huge fan about Diana Ankudinova. She's so cute, beautiful, mashallah, and angel voice. And my name is Samir from Algeria, North Africa, between Morocco and Tunisia. I do reaction music video, and I do reaction about Diana Ankudinova. And you are in the right channel to watching. Yo, lovers, give me love. I have depression, easy attack from a long time. I lost my job from a long time, and yeah, it is so bad. And if you want to help this channel with anything, you give with thanks button in every video. Make it YouTube, make it in every video. When you watch the video, when you like it and you want to give more, and like $16, 15, 6, $5, anything, that means so much to me, because I'm planning to buy a new PC and I lost my job. And I have depression. I see a doctor, and my mom pay my medicament, I pay the doctor, pay my bills of internet, pay everything. So yeah, I am like have nothing. So if you want to help me to buy a new PC, that up to you, collecting the money, not you or you sending me like a lot of money. No, just a little bit money, and then collect that money and buy a new PC with thanks button. YouTube, make it in every video, you will see it. And yeah, if you have nothing to give, smash a button, subscribe, notification on. Lovers, fans, Diana Ankudinova, you love me. So let's start. Let's go right now with 3, 2, 1. It's coming right now. Let's start. Let's go. Wow. Her voice. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Wow. The music, yo, our voice.
Просто все давно решено, и неизбежным стал наш общий синдром. Ты тянешь руки, но уже не хочу. Просто молчу.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is amazing, I swear. The bass, the music, her voice, so amazing. I love it so much. Oh my god, this Diana Ankudinova stole our heart with her voice, with her beauty, with her everything. Respect to her and love her, support her, give her love from Algeria. Thank you so much for watching to the end. And if you want to support the channel with anything, with subscribing, with like, comment, and with thanks button if you like, that's up to you. And peace, love, assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Salam.